In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multilingual Squarespace website. We'll use Squarespace's built-in connection to Weglot, a trusted translation service, so you can add language options to your site quickly and cleanly. Start on your Squarespace dashboard. Look toward the lower left corner and click the settings icon. You'll need owner or admin access to make these changes. Settings is where Squarespace keeps all the site-wide controls, including language features, so this is the right place to begin. Inside Settings, open Site Languages. This section manages your site's primary language and, crucially, the tools that let you offer additional languages. Squarespace centralizes the multilingual setup here so you don't have to hunt through different panels. On the Site Languages page, locate the Multilingual by Weglot option. Weglot is a service that automatically translates your site and adds a language switcher, while letting you review and refine translations later. It integrates directly with Squarespace, which keeps setup simple and reduces manual work. Click Connect next to Weglot. This kicks off a secure handshake between Squarespace and Weglot so they can communicate. You may see a brief loading screen or a new tab open. That's normal. Squarespace is preparing the permissions request. When prompted, click Allow. You're granting Weglot permission to add the language switcher and manage translations for your site. This permission is necessary so the integration can display alternate languages without you editing every page. If you ever need to, you can manage or revoke this access from your Squarespace settings later. You'll then be taken to create your Weglot account. Sign up with your preferred email and a strong password and complete any quick verification they request. During or right after sign up, Weglot guides you through choosing your site's original language and the languages you want to add. Those choices determine the translations that appear and how the language switcher behaves. Weglot will automatically scan your live pages, generate initial translations, and place a switcher on your site, often in the corner of the screen, so visitors can toggle languages instantly. That's the essential setup. After connecting and signing up, give your site a moment to refresh. If you don't see the switcher immediately, try a hard refresh or check in a private browser window. From the Weglot dashboard, you can refine translations, exclude pages you don't want translated, and customize the switcher style to match your branding. You've now connected Squarespace and Weglot, enabling a multilingual experience with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and enjoy opening your site to a global audience.